Hello and welcome to this video on matrix report in SSRS. In this session, we will explore what a matrix report is, how to create one in SQL Server reporting services, and its advantages. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding on how to build and use matrix reports efficiently. So, first, what is a matrix report? A matrix report in SSRS is a type of report that displays summarized data in a cross-tab format. Unlike a tabular report where columns are predefined, a matrix dynamically expands columns and rows based on the data. These make it ideal for presenting pivot-like reports. The key features of matrix report are its dynamic rows and columns, automatic expansion based on group data. It supports subtotal and grand total calculations. It is useful for financial, sales, and analytical reporting. So, how to create a matrix report in SSRS? First, open your Visual Studio. Now, you have to create a new project. Click on Create New Project. Select this report server project. Click on Next. Since it is matrix report, I am giving its name as matrix report 1. Click on Create. Here, first you have to select reports under Solution Manager. Right click, click on Add, click on New Item. Here first you have to create a report followed by data source and dataset. I am giving this report name as matrix report. Click on Add. Now here under report data we have to create data source first. Click on right click, click add data source. Here we can name our data source. Since I will be calling this data, I am naming this database name as car insurance. Here we have to select build. Here my server name is Raji. If you go to properties in your SQL server, you can see your server name. We have to give that server name. Here we have to select the database. My database is car insurance. I'm selecting this database. Go to advanced. Make this trusted certificate as true. Click OK. Click OK. And one more thing, here under credentials, you have to select which type of credentials you have used. You have to select that options. I'm selecting use Windows authentication. Click on OK. Now I have successfully created my data source. Now I have to create data sets. Right click, click on add data set. Select this option, use this data set embedded in my report. Under data source, select the data source you have previously created, car insurance. Here you can build the query using this query designer. Here select this option, add table. I am adding this first table, car insurance premium dataset. Click on add. Close this. I am selecting all columns. Click OK. Now we have to create the matrix report. From here, from toolbox, drag and drop a matrix control. Here is the matrix control. Since a year is not present here, let us create another data source. Right click, add data source. Uh, Let us create another data set with under same data using same data source. Click add data set. I'm selecting this query. We can, instead of selecting query designer, we can also enter our query. Click OK. I should select my data. Click OK. Now, here we have rows, columns, and data. Here, drag brand under rows, year, columns. I am dragging price under data. So we have to click preview to see how our data is. Click on preview. Let me download this. I'm extracting this in old format. See, this is our data. Here we are having brand type here, here, here. So like this we can review our data. The advantages of using this matrix report is its dynamic data representation. It automatically expands based on available data. For example, if we have other data for year like 2023, it will expand automatically. Its summarization and aggregation. It provides quick insights through subtotaling and grand total. If we require, it provides us totals here. It is easier to interpret large data sets in matrix form when compared to tabular form. So that's all for today's videos on matrix reports in SSRS. We learned whatever matrix report is, how to create one step by step and its benefits. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.